Hi everyone, my name is Raymond. Hope you are doing well. In this video, I'd like to show you a nice trick that you can use for translating any video. Literally any video from any language like Italian, Spanish, Portuguese, Arabic, Hindi, and so on. And for any video duration, 1 hour, 2 hours, 3 hours, and so on. Thus, you can use this nice trick for making money online by providing the transcription service on freelance platforms like Fiverr, Goro, People Per Hour, and so on. And here you can generate captions and subtitles, or you can translate your own YouTube videos. In addition, this nice trick is totally free and you can make it on Facebook. Yes, Facebook. And as I said before, it is totally free without any charge on you. So let's go together to Facebook to find out this nice trick. And now we are on facebook.com, and step number one, and first of all, you must have a Facebook business page. And if you want to know how to create one, just you will find on YouTube hundreds and thousands of videos that talk about this method. Okay, so step number one, you must have business page on Facebook. Okay. And step number two, go below to the first comment and you will find a link that takes you to this page, facebook.com/4media tools creator studio. Okay, and this in creator studio where you can upload your videos, your images, and so on. Okay, so go to this button, try now, click over that, and it takes you to this studio. Okay, super easy. And here you can choose your own business page, okay, for any niche like fitness, weight loss, dogs, cats, and so on. Just so we can use this page to do your trick. Okay. Step number three, go to this create new, this green button. Okay, upload video. Okay, and here you can upload your video that you wanna translate it. This one, okay, for example, we can choose this business page. Okay, uploading. You can choose its language: Hindi, Arabic, Spanish, Portuguese. Okay, English here. Okay, and after completing 100%, just go to this option, optimize. Okay, as you see here, click in this captions. Okay, go to settings. Therefore, you can generate the subtitle of your video. Okay. As I said before, if your video with any duration, 1 hour, 2 hours, 3 hours, and so on. Okay. Done. Okay, with accuracy high, as you see here. So if you want to review these subtitles, you can edit any word, any spelling, and so on. Just so we can go to this review, as you see here. Okay, therefore you can edit anything you want. Okay, they are editable boxes, as you see. Okay, and when you are happy with this result, save. Okay, then go to the three dots, download this SRT file. Okay, this is a script with timing. Okay, and now you have the SRT file of this video. Then you can upload this SRT file on YouTube to translate this video, or if you want to make your video translated out of YouTube, just go to this next trick and to this next website, which is Happyscribe.com. And here you can scroll all the way down, okay, to this free tools, and you can select subtitle tools. Okay, perfect. Therefore, you will find some options for free. Okay, we can choose this one, hard code subtitles. Okay, hard code subtitles, and here you can merge your video, your original video, with this new SRT file. Okay, just click over hard code subtitles. Perfect. And here you can upload your raw video, your original video, without any captions. And here, this subtitle file, the SRT file, you have downloaded from Facebook. Okay, but here there is one thing you have to know. You have to make the name of these files, video and the subtitle file, with the same name. Okay, with the same name. For example, our video, okay, with its name speech, so we can rename it, for example, number 1. Okay, and we can take this SRT file, cut to our folder, and here we can rename it to the same name, 1. Okay, as you see here, so the video file and the SRT file with the same name. Okay, as you see here. Perfect. Go back to our website, happyscribe.com, select our video, raw video. Okay, perfect. SRT file. Okay. Hard code subtitles. Okay, to merge these files all together. Okay, now it's rendering your video. Okay, done. Your file is ready. Just go to this, click here to download your translated video. Okay, as you see here, just a few seconds. Open.
You know, living with you, it hasn't been easy. People see me, but they think of you. Now with all this going on, it's going to be worse than ever.
Perfect.
Don't have to be.
No, sure it does.
Why? You got a lot going on, kid.
As you see here. Okay, and now a good question comes up. If you want to translate this video into any other languages, how to do that? To do that, just you can use this nice website, is subtitlestranslator.com, subtitlestranslator.com, and here you can translate the SRT file you have downloaded from Facebook to any other language you want, and repeat the previous step of hardcode subtitles of happyscribe.com. Okay, so in this website you can go to this new multiple language translator. Okay, click over it. Awesome. Upload your SRT file that you have downloaded from Facebook. Okay, upload. This one. Perfect. Therefore, you can select the languages you want to translate your video into, like, okay, Bengali. Okay, add language. We can select Armenian. Okay, another language like Indonesian. Okay, another language like Turkish, and so on. Okay, just go to this translate button. Perfect. And here you can translate your SRT file to these languages. Okay, perfect. Download this zip file that contains these 3 languages. Okay, perfect. Okay, and as I said before, you have to repeat the previous step of hardcode subtitles of happyscribe.com, and you can merge these new files with your original video file. Okay, And now we reach the end of the video. Thank you for watching, and if you have any question, you can leave it in the comment section. See you in the next video, and goodbye.